Hey guys, it's Mo, and I have something really creative to share with you using these little printable Valentines that the Happy Planner sent out at the beginning of February, and it is to create a currently page using part of a dashboard layout. So I did one for January that you will see here. I have my bills on the other side, that's why I pull it out of the screen or out of the frame. But I created this one for January with some stuff that we did for Marcus and myself and just things that we did as a family. And I'm going to use the this washi book, those Valentine's things to cover up part of the dashboard layout that I don't want to use. Memory keeping, stickers, this is just another kind of, I guess, I don't want to say hodgepodge, but it's just all the Valentine's Day stickers that I have, I'm going to use and put them in this little dashboard layout as a currently page. I never, ever used those currently pages before. I think I have one video on the mini Happy Planner trying to use a currently page, and I didn't. That's the only time I've ever even attempted to use it. So I'm just using the left-hand side of the dashboard layout to create this little currently page. And I sized these guys, these little printables down to fit over the errands box. This is just an extension pack that I bought because I thought maybe I'd like to use the dashboard layout last year. And when I was pregnant last year, all of my creative stuff, all of my planning, it took a back seat. I loved being pregnant. Nothing, was wrong. It was great. It just, I was not in a creative place, which is really odd for me for how creative that I am. So I did no memory keeping, including after he was born. So like August to December, I did like no memory keeping anywhere, no memory planning, nothing. So I wanted to start fresh this year and try and do something in my bullet journal. And I think the little Beeb is waking up. So I just cover that errands box up with the large sticker there. And eventually I will put pictures on this, this little spread here. And we will have a document of the month of February. So I just keep on keeping on, and I use some, what is this called, washi tape from that washi book. I use some whiteout to cover up the labels on each little section there. I go into the teacher book looking for some washi tape and whatnot. I end up covering, and honestly, where it says focus there and where I put that sticker down, it may end up being covered by a picture. I'm not sure. I just did the January one right before I did this February one to see if it was something that I really liked to have and like to do, and I actually really do like it. So I'm just prepping this so I will have a way to put or a place to put pictures at the end of the month. And I know that's kind of odd because it's a currently page. I never really understood the currently pages because the page, excuse me as I choke, the page is at the beginning of the next month, but I think it's supposed to be like currently for that month, which you wouldn't really fill out until the middle or something of the month, right? Am I thinking about that wrong? Like, so if the currently page for February, it's currently what you're doing in February, why would you fill that out for like what you did in January or what you're currently loving now? Because that's currently what you're loving in January. If you're filling out maybe your monthly spread on like January 25th, you know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. It's just that the currently pages have never really made sense to me. They've got February stuff on them, but then you're kind of filling it out prior to actually going through. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong and maybe I'm losing my mind. But I end up putting down this little script February there where it says month of, and that's what I did in January. I have a bunch of extension packs. So I have a bunch of names of the months and whatnot. But I end up picking that up and I end up putting down, there is a little February banner in, I think it's one of the newer memory keeping books. And I end up putting that down in the middle at the bottom of the spread there. And I really do like it. I think it makes the spread look different than the one from January. So I'm not going to be able to do that every month because February was the only one that had that little banner. But I'm just looking for more stickers that I might be able to use. I put down a Valentine's Day, like dates and holidays label or whatever, to mark that, we do have Valentine's Day, and I'll probably put a picture or something. I need to find a little onesie thing for Marcus to wear. I think I might go to Walmart. They seem to be like $5. Every time I've seen one for Halloween or something like that, they seem to be like $5. So I might get that. But yeah, here we go. I take this February up and end up using this February here that I pull up in my moon journal so that I'm not wasting that sticker. But I just put that down at the bottom of the page there. And I think it kind of blends it together and it kind of looks like a Happy Planner page. Like I think it kind of looks like it came from the Happy Planner with that little February down like that. So yeah, so this is just my attempt at memory keeping this year. I would love to do a whole memory planner, but I just do not have time. It's another reason why I don't have a social media planner. I don't have this planner or that planner. Even though I guess in my planners and journals for 2020, I did show a couple different planners and journals and whatnot. I haven't used my Hobonichi except to do plan with me's for you all. So this is just the reason why I don't have multiple planners. I cannot keep up with them. It's just too busy. Mom life is too much. So we cannot keep up with it. And I am kind of sad that I wasn't able to use these big memory planning type of Valentine's Day stickers. I couldn't think of the word Valentine's Day in this spread. And I thought about maybe cutting them down for my other spread, but I don't know. So now I'll have them for next year. So much for using up my stickers, right? I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would love for you to stick around, check out more of what I'm doing in my bullet journal, see what's going to happen here on the channel. I also have the Printable of the Month Club. You can go join that on Patreon. And I am doing merch now, so there should be some sweatshirts and stuff. I'll add some more here shortly, but there should be some sweatshirts and stuff underneath this video. So yeah, so I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know, and I hope this inspired you to kind of make your own currently page or even use the currently pages that you may have in your planner. So thanks for watching. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.